I am the eternal optimist. Whoa, that's bad. Lots of ouchies on this Audi. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike, armed with his Gatorade or Powerade this time because it is a hot day, okay? I thought it was gonna be cooler today, but the humidity is through the roof. I think it's like 85 with a feels like temperature of 103 or something like that. It is cuckoo hot out here. It did rain on Friday, so the cars, as you can see here at Copart, are all looking good. They are freshly washed and they are ready to be viewed by us. So let's see if we can spend a little time, spend a little money, and have a lot of fun. First up, let's start the debate. Are these BMWs any good? 2009 BMW 650i convertible with a flat tire. We do have some scratching right here. So she kind of went skidgied. That's a good word. She skidgied against something right there. I don't know what to say about the top. It looks like it has been, well, if you look past where the dye has faded, you can re-dye black tops, well, in blue ones and any other color. I've done that before. This one, it couldn't hurt. Spend, I think it's like 120 bucks, get the kit, the dye kit, then the waterproofing, and you should be good. I'm looking for damage on the top and to the body. This is kind of gross, something hot, like a cigar or something was put right there. But the top itself, looks okay. Yeah, dye it, there's no holes or anything. Vacuum it, brush it, dye it, waterproof it, dye it, no, just one dye, and then 2 waterproofs and you'll be good. Here's some damage right here as well. So she has something on the left front and right rear. She got, I don't know, she got tagged or something, and this is just remnants from where they had the windows protected right here, so maybe these don't go up and down. I don't know. I think these are good looking cars. They got that rear end that's very controversial. Uh-oh. Whoa. That's bad. This has been sitting for a long time to be that dried out. Even the chrome right here. Hear that? Yeah, okay. She's been sitting forever. Forever and ever. Let's take a look at the inside. Well, it could be worse. It could be completely, well, this is kind of ripped up a little bit right here. Look at the back seat. Although there's really no room for anybody in the back seat. Yeah, front seats look pretty comfortable. I've driven one. They drive good, they're heavy. But look at the dash. That's, oh my goodness. And this is faded. And it's under a lot of, look at this, look at all the dust. There you go, ugh. Ugh, okay, but you know what? I'm trying to be positive. I am the eternal optimist, and that's by choice. If this would stay, look, this would be really pretty. It's not too far gone. It's really, really not too far gone. Let's open the hood, take a look at everything, and then we'll see if we can give her a start. I kind of like this. For the right price, if it starts, heck yeah, baby. Okay, here you go. You got your big old V8. Big engine. Yeah. So I'm looking right up here. Emissions information. 2009 model year. Woo! Okay. Yeah, this is this is a little intimidating. Is there an oil dipstick somewhere? Air conditioning. What about coolant? Do we have coolant? It feels like there could be something in there. Here's a dipstick. But I would imagine this is probably for the transmission. Yeah, well, no, this looks like it's a, ooh, I don't think there's anything in there. That could be a problem. That could be a big problem. So unfortunately, if there's nothing in there, I'm not gonna start it. I wished I could, This just got way scarier. Okay, Mike, don't try to save this one. Don't save it. Don't save it. You even have critters that have been eating things in here, so there could be wire damage as well. Yeah, let's just carefully walk away, he says as he tries to open the oil cap just to see what it looks like down here. Can you see the hood keeps falling? What do you see? That looks clean, but there's just nothing. There's no oil. There's nothing on there. I mean, it hasn't been started in a long time, and maybe that's why. So, yeah, this one's going to be a hard pass for me because I do not want to. Oh my gosh, how much fun would that be? Taking that engine and transmission out. Holy crap-a-cola. Yeah, let's just say thank you. You used to be a neat-looking car. Not the best reputation, kind of the bad girl at high school, and yeah, we're gonna keep moving on. If you want to practice your hail damage repair skills, have I found the car for you, baby? Yeah, look at this. This is an A7 from Audi, and ouch, ouch, ouch. Lots of ouchies on this Audi. Lots of hail damage. Here's the good thing, supercharged. This is a 2016 A7 Prestige, but it is covered. I mean, look at the top. Oh my gosh. That's thousands and thousands. Look at this. Ding, da-ding, ding, 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 everywhere. Oh my gosh, this was caught in a huge hailstorm. And then on this side, it looks fine. They got one right here. Look at these tires. Oh, I love the wheels. Continental? Continental? Someone loved this car. Letting go of the clear coat right here, but look at the damage. Wow, so how could you fix this inexpensively? Well, get another hood. Sometimes you can see these A7s in the pull-apart yards. Uh-oh, this got a lot more expensive. You need a windshield too. For the top, and then for these little pieces right here, yeah, it's gonna be expensive no matter what you do. Yeah, that's gonna cost a lot. So, well, a good opportunity to practice your glue gun skills and then, you know, pop them out. Inside it looks good. It's got a typical Audi weird smell though. These do, they all these smell the same. I don't know if it's the leather or what, but these, come on, Mike. Open the door. Uh-oh. Look at that. So you need this replaced as well. Yeah, that was a heck of a storm. Woo! Let's just see. 183,000 miles and a super laid back driving position. Wow. Okay. We do have power. It's now 93 with a heat index of 172, it feels like. It is really hot out here. Oh my goodness. I need a start button. Oh, it's over here. Here we go. Look at this. Here we go. Come on, car. Turn off ignition before leaving the car. Okay. Car has not been started in a long time. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, we gotta put this down. Put the seat down. Uh-oh. Cool off, turn off engine and check coolant level. That's not a good sign. That is not a good sign at all. Yeah, we're gonna have to turn it off. Just to see. Oh my goodness, that sounded terrible. Can you hear the radio? Okay. No, go off. Turn off. Go back in your house. There you go. Thank you. That was some hard rock on the radio. Some like headbanger stuff. Yeah, that was very unexpected. Let's see how bad it is under here. Maybe that's the reason they parked it out in a hailstorm just to get rid of the car. All right, here we go. Well, I love the red. Someone's tried to jump it right there. There is just a little bit of coolant left. But there is coolant though. Huh. Okay, so it's not completely out. But the fact that it's very, very low would indicate possibly a head gasket. When you're looking for head gasket issues, you can take off the oil cap right here, and if there's like milkshake, or if it looks exceptionally like water, I don't know. I'm not going to say what I think, but you know what I'm thinking. Yeah, this is, oh my gosh. What a cool car this was back in the day. Well, that's strike two. No, she officially started, so we'll take that. But it's not something that I would be interested in. These are good looking cars though. They really, really are. The fronts, they're just mean. Look what I found here. Holy crap. I turned the corner. I came around this Cadillac because, you know, I'm looking for one, something like that. Well, this is a little beat up. And I ran smack into this 1952 Willis Jeep. Or it used to be. It's been modernized a lot, I think. Look at the frame. Look at the leaf springs. Little shock right here. They have this because it's missing the hood. Maybe it's in the bed. And they have this because the window's down. Is this open? Has someone, see, somebody's already opened this. So we can go inside. Oh my, look at this. Oh. You get some extra parts. That's good. You get, look at your little keys. Okay, you get a nice Pioneer. Look at the, oh wow. Look at the gauges, 809 miles. You got your amp, your temperature, your fuel, and your oil. C, I guess, is your choke. What is this? Maybe windshield wipers? Or maybe that's your choke. You got a cigarette lighter. Yeah, that looks like your choke. That's probably your lights right there. And this is your heater. Look at your old school heater. Oh, and you got a nice sub right there. Okay. Well, this is interesting. Look at this, red and white, red and white. Look at the bed. Wow, okay. And you've got these cool Moto metal wheels with big O tires. Holy crap. And then you have a nice looking, this is like a lot of old stuff, but a lot of new stuff. And look at this, the Willis. Wow, logo right there. I kind of like it. Oh no, well, here's your damage. Doggone it. Something pretty good hit it. Will this still open? Nope. I don't want to force it either. Yeah, so that's, oh, even the windshield. I didn't even see that. And maybe even something on the roof. So this got very expensive. Here's your battery. What kind of an engine is in here? I can't get in to see it. Doggone it. I love the front. Look at this, but the turn signals, see, these are new. And they would just look like that. So cool. Nice chrome bumper too. Someone spent some money on this. And the headlights, that one's broken. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then I guess, look at the GPS modules right there. I guess for you, does it have Sirius XM or? Look at, this is so different. So very different. Ugh, I'm going in. Let's just see what, if we happen to have some power. I don't know. I can't get in there. I can't get under there to do anything, but I got 600 keys. Ah, let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, there's nothing. Oh, wow. Look at that. So when you push on the clutch, You got access to the outside. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's gonna be loud. Yeah, she's not gonna do anything for us at all. Oh my. This is cool though. Very, very cool. Turn signal. What is this? I don't know what that is. Huh. On. Is that for it? Is that for the whole car? Let's just try it. Okay, hold on. Sorry about the camera work. I'm getting too excited. Here we go. Come on, do something. No, that's not for the battery or anything. Doggone it. What a cool vehicle. Bluetooth plus, yeah, that's nice. Okay, well, what is this? Is this how you get out? Oh, that's cool. Ah! Okay, and a little hand grenade for a turning or a knob for your window. Wow. Cool little touch. This would be such a fun car to have. Look, how would you get under here to check your brake fluid? You have to take the bed off, I guess. Boy, that's gonna be fun. All right, well, thank you, Willis. You look good. You used to look better. But what a very cool car. Oh my. All right, well, thank you, sir. You look good. This right here is a great example of the kind of cars you're gonna find at Copart. You never know, there's new, there's old, there's new and old mixed all together. Yeah, a 1952 Willis with cool features and everything else. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I love the fact that you watched the video as well, folks. We're back with another one very, very soon, as always. A huge thank you to everybody here at Copart for letting me come out and have some fun poking around all these vehicles and showing off what they got. And a huge thank you to you for watching these videos, all right? We're back with more. I have lots of videos where I get my hands dirty and fix cars coming up for you as well. Lots of product reviews, electric bikes, dash cams, all kinds of stuff, because I'm trying to mix it up. All right, everybody, have a great day. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.